Today, we're looking at the top 5 documents that most probate courts here in the state of Michigan require an individual to file in order to open up a probate estate. If you need to open a probate estate and don't know where to start or which forms to use, I will send you a free probate tip sheet. All you need to do is go to radzwionlaw.com. The link will be in the description box below, or you can search Radzwion Law in any web browser. When you get to our homepage, you should find the Get in Touch section. It should be towards the bottom. Here you will enter your name, email address, and the words probate tips in the very bottom box. Then click Submit. I will then send you an email so that you can download this free probate tip sheet. The tip sheet has links to many of the probate court forms that are required when opening or administering a probate estate. It also has some other checklist items that you will need when opening a probate estate. So head on over to radzwionlaw.com to get yours today. Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Radzwion IV, your trusted attorney with Radzwion Law, PLLC, and today we're looking at the top 5 documents that most probate courts require an individual to file at the court in order to start the probate process. Let's jump right in. Number 1 would be the death certificate or the obituary of the deceased individual that you are opening that estate up on their behalf. The second document would be the petition, the petition to open probate and the appointment of the personal representative. Here in Michigan, personal representative, it's the same position as an executor. Other states call that individual an executor of the estate. Here in Michigan, Michigan law says that person's name is the personal representative. They're representing the deceased individual's estate. Okay, moving on. The next form you're going to, an individual will need would be a testimony to identify heirs. Sometimes it's called a testimony to identify interested parties, but that is a form that you'll need as well. Another form you'll need would be the acceptance of appointment. The acceptance of appointment lets the court know that the person being named as the personal representative is willing to serve as the personal representative. They put their signature on there and everything. The court, and that form is filed with the court as well. Another document that, that the court may require an individual to file is a protected information form. Most of the time they're designated as MC97 forms or MC97A forms. You want to look for those as well. Depends on the court that you're filing in for that. The last form that you'll need is the will. And that's really only if you're going to file a testate or open a testate estate. And that designation is at the top of the petition to open a probate estate. Testate means that the individual that passed away had a will. The court is going to want to see an original copy of that will if possible. If not, a copy of the original may suffice in some circumstances. Things to note, some key areas on the petition to open the probate estate would be that testate intestate box as well. And the section that talks about if there is a will attached, has it been probated before, the dates of the will, all that kind of stuff. Another key section on the petition to look out for would be the jurisdictional section, in which the form is looking for information on where the individual that passed away, where they were domiciled or where their permanent residency was at the time that they passed away. This indicates to the court whether the court will have jurisdiction over that probate case or not. And then finally, the last section would be the section that talks about who is looking to be appointed as the personal representative. Who wants to take on the task of opening the probate estate up as the personal representative and taking care of all the forms and dealing with the court, any creditors, all that kind of stuff. Who is going to be the personal representative? Make sure that is clear, because sometimes you'll have many other people that could be nominated or other family members, but the court is going to want to know who is petitioning the court to be appointed as that personal representative. I hope this video is helpful. If you like it, please hit that thumbs up button. Consider subscribing for more informational videos like this. And leave us a comment below if you've had to probate an estate or you know someone that has. And remember, if you have questions about your probate case here in the state of Michigan and you need answers, get in touch with us. Go to our website, message us, give us a call, that sort of thing. We are here to protect you when you need it most. Thanks again for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.